don't beg. I bless her, pay energy, no effort. Look at me, that's pressure. I don't chase, I get her. I don't beg, I bless her. I don't beg, I bless her, pay energy, no effort. Look at me, that's pressure. I don't chase, I get her. I don't beg, I bless her. I don't beg, I bless her, pay energy, no effort. Look at me, that's pressure. I don't chase, I get her. I don't beg, I bless her. I don't beg, I bless her, pay energy, no effort. Look at me, that's pressure. I don't chase, I get her. I don't beg, I bless her. I don't beg, I bless her, pay energy, no effort. I don't beg. I bless her, big energy, low effort. Look at me, that's pressure. I don't chase, I get her. I don't beg. I bless her. I don't beg. I bless her, big energy, low effort. Look at me, that's pressure. I don't chase, I get her. I don't beg. I bless her. I don't beg. I bless her, big energy, low effort. Look at me, that's pressure. I don't chase, I get her. I don't beg.
Yo, what up, gangsters? Long time no see, huh? Sorry I'm a little late. I just got these. Super sick. Not really that sick. Alpha Futures instant funding accounts. And yeah, like they're not that good, but they're new. And I want to get an Alpha Futures payout. So I sent it anyway. I really don't even like instant funding, but I need to get an Alpha Futures payout. And it seems like a decent route I could take. Just base hit it home. What's up, Grant? GZ1, baby. Lanky. Duker in the house. What time you call this? Shocking behavior? Wait, what? No, yeah, our stream schedule is gonna be terrible. Like I'm dead ass. Like I'm not loving sticking to an actual schedule. So we're just gonna be going live like pretty randomly whenever I kind of feel like it or whenever I'm actually trading. I almost went live this morning. I woke up at 4:30 a.m. and landed a fuckload of bangers. Holy fuck, we fucking smacked today. Fucking insane. The only red account is this fucking this funded next account, but I just kind of full ported it on accident like a retard at a really bad spot. But look at this. I landed $11,000 banger on my Top Step XFA. About to rinse their ass as long as I can get the $150 days, which I believe I can. Also, Tradeify selects are almost funded. We got 550Ks. TPTs, I ran out of 50K pro resets. So I'm back into evals. We probably won't be trading TPT for like a month, which is very unfortunate. But that's why I got funded seats, daily payouts. I mean, these are going to be a bitch because it's 35% consistency, but you can pass it in 3 days, so might not be too bad. Yeah, I want more daily payout accounts. These are end of day. I remember when we were talking about trade day the other day. I'm really considering actually sending trade day. Just because of the TPT 10 account limit per month. I'm trying not to do as many pro resets. I'm trying just to do evals. I mean, evals are so fucking cheap and like the payouts are just so massive. But whenever I do the resets, I mean, the ROI is still huge, but it's not as big as if I just go through the evals. So that's kind of my plan. But right now we got this Alpha Futures Direct. They literally just dropped it, and I'm gonna we're gonna try locking in a payout here. It's gonna be my first ever payout with Alpha Futures. Hopefully, we're gonna trade it super conservatively. It's a 20% consistency rule. We got to make $3,000. So I don't even know. It's gonna be so fucking brutal. Yeah, it's $600 a day. It's gonna be rough. One day a DLL is gonna hurt us. I might just say fuck the consistency rule and make $1,000 and just kind of go like that way. But we'll see. We'll see what the market gives us today. And also, I am recording. I don't know if you guys can see my phone, but I'm recording my screen. And I'm really hoping my laptop actually crashes today because I've been recording my screen for a hot minute now because MSI is asking for proof of the crashes. And yeah, just haven't been able to get one. It happened randomly one day, like fucking an hour into my workflow. I wasn't even doing anything. And then now I'm running, like the past like 2 days, I've been running like Claude, 3 fucking Google Chrome pages, Spotify, TradingView, FileZilla, fucking all this shit. I was just like overloading the laptop thinking it's gonna actually crash, but apparently it's just not like an overload problem. So yeah, I don't know. I really don't know how to make this laptop crash, but that's what I'm working on right now is making this laptop crash. So you know, I mean, I hope it doesn't crash because I want to stay live for longer, but I really do hope it crashes because I want to get this bitch fixed and just have this out of my fucking head, man. And I'm 5 months away now from my warranty expiring, my international one. I still have 2 more years on top of that for the US warranty, but I just want to get this shit fixed while I'm in Thailand, just get it done with. And then, you know, that 2-year warranty, if something bad really happens, then I'll go back to the US and get it fixed or whatever, you know. But yeah, it's good to be back live, dude. Had a long ass fucking Poland hiatus, huh? It's a long one. Alpha Futures pissing me off right now. They owe me affiliate money. And the support guy is just being a retard. Full-blown retard. Does it crash? You need to restart the whole thing? Yeah, it crashes. And then it says your device ran into an error and it could not be repaired, blah, blah, blah. And then Just have to go through like the restart process. There's multiple things wrong, but I was working with Claude, and he's basically concluding that it's the motherboard or possibly even GPU. Probably not GPU, but more than likely motherboard. Yeah. Wait, what the fuck? Our total prop firm payouts went down. Didn't we just change that on Friday? Why did they disappear? We updated them. We're way over 600K now. The fuck happened there? Do we need to do all the maths again? Let's get a nice fat juicy P&L fucking showing right there. Yeah, today was a banger morning. Go back to the crack of dawn in Asia and fucking London. No, it wasn't even London. It was just Globex in Asia. Just cooked so hard, so trendy. I guess London got a really nice cliff, but I was sleeping. But yeah, I caught this short right here, and I caught the long all the way fucking up to here. Something is fantastic. Fan-fucking-tastic. So we gotta make 600 bucks. I think I'm just gonna go for 1,000. No, but our DLL is 1,000. Our 1-to-1 ratio is not too bad. I don't even know why I'm thinking in money. That's a stupid way to think. We should be thinking about what the market's gonna give us. We'll see what the market gives us. But I don't think I'm gonna go over $1,000 if the market just fucking completely fucking rinses like just a fucking massive cliff. We make more than $1,000, I'm gonna lose money. $1,000 will be our max. It's OS bugging or hardware issues. No, yeah, it's not the OS. That's already been confirmed. I already sent it in twice. They did a firmware update, and they did an operating system reset, which I already did 3 times before that. It's a hardware issue, 1,000%. And US MSI support already they already committed to replacing the motherboard for me because they're like, oh yeah, it sounds like a motherboard issue. We'll fix it for you. But I can't get Thailand MSI service to commit to it. Very annoying. But fuck, hold on. First things first, we got to fix our total prop firm payouts because that's kind of bullshit that they disappeared. What happened? Ah, shit. Where did we stop? 618. Yeah, I believe. No, because this almost got us there. Fuck. Do you guys remember? I'm pretty sure it's this. I'm pretty sure this is where we started. Yeah. Let's do that. Let's start here. Because I remember I was like, oh yeah, one more of these payouts, I'll be over 600K. Yeah, we're right. So it's gonna be 2,700 after profit split. Which, you know what? I think I'm like kind of like underselling myself because you know, I'm doing the prop firm payouts, the lifetime prop firm payouts that you guys see on the screen. after the profit split, which is like 10 to 20% less, I could fucking just go like, you know, before the profit split and make myself look a lot fucking cooler. But I just don't think that's like realistic. I don't think that's fair. I think it's like kind of like faking, you know what I mean? So we're just gonna keep rolling with the actual bank deposits, the actual cash I get. Yeah. Yeah, maybe if someone else wanted to sell a course or something like that, they would do it before profit split, just to you know, just to sell some courses. But I'm not selling shit, so I'm not gonna do it. Forget about it. Okay, so that's what, 11:36. This one's a 3-2-2-1 banger. Fuck just happened here? That's more like it. Let's just run through some housekeeping here really quick, boys. For the second time, I'm pretty sure we just did this before our NFP full port YOLO, but I guess we got to do it again. Fuck. It's another 2,700 from Lucid. I might be double rinsing Lucid now. I hit a $5,000 banger on Lucid on my new Lucid Flex that I just got funded today. I was going for a $13,000 banger, but I was too tired, so I just closed out, and I closed out at the perfect fucking time. I posted in the Discord, and then I went to sleep. And I wake up to everyone in the Discord, and they're like, "Oh, dude, sick exit." It actually was the perfect exit. Shocky Boy was right about that mean reversion too, but I almost greeted it up. Holy fuck, boys. We made a lot of fucking money since Poland. 2904. Is this right? Did we really make 50 bandos? I mean, it sounds about right. Yeah, I think it's right. All right, well, let's fucking add it and let's fucking hope it sticks this time. I really don't feel like doing this again. Damn, we're almost at 650K, baby. Fucking hope we can hit a milli this year. I've been fucking locking in pretty fucking... So when it comes to locking in with trading, low key, I think that's like the wrong way to talk about it. I was reading something, like some article, and they were like, yeah, like locking in on trading is like the opposite of what you want to do. You want to be like free and let the market give you what you want instead of fucking locking in and, you know, basically hyper focusing on trading. And yeah, we got to read the whole article, but that kind of sums it up. It's not about locking in when it comes to trading. It's about yeah, just like free flowing. Yeah, so we're not locking in on trading. We're just free flowing, baby. And the VWAP play doesn't look too shabby right here. I almost want to long this for the breakout. It's kind of wedging a little bit. But goddamn, she could cliff. Still not really loving this, but it is a flag. It is a little bit of a flag, huh, boys? Look at that. That's a flag. Okay, maybe we could send like 2 micros. The fuck? Rejected? Oh shit, maybe I need to log out. The support did tell me to log out and log back in. Bro, that was our fucking bottom. This thing headed back to all-time high the next few days. It's very possible. I'm still like a little bit bearish for like one more week, but who knows? Who knows? That might actually be our bottom. I am kind of thinking we do go swipe 28,500-ish though. So 700 points lower at some point in the next like week. But right now the daily's not looking too shabby. I mean, we got this low sweep right here. We might be working our way back up. Very well could be. I'm not dummy bullish just yet, but I'm getting there. I am getting there. Damn, gold is just cliff central, huh? Gotta make sure this camera is set up right in case we do crash. I'm already feeling the laptop getting a little laggy. Okay, well, the bull flag did not print. It was kind of a half-ass bull flag anyways. Longs at 234 might cook. We have a lot of fucking weak volume right here, though. We might be longing 208. Gotta swing some micros on your personal account? I was thinking about doing the same. I was thinking about the same, yeah. I like the idea of a nice fucking long swing for... Yeah, because I was bearish for Q1, Q2. Fucking ripper fucking mode is about to be activated, I think. Like absolute like fucking like bubble forming fucking bullishness is gonna be coming soon, I think. All right, boys. All right, it's my first day back. I want your guys' help. I would appreciate it if you guys smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. We're coming back to live streaming all the time and at random times. So subscribe and turn on that notification bell so we could trade together, baby. Appreciate it, boys. I appreciate it, boys, if you smash that like button. Got me 250k Apex evals. Bounce at 8k profit. Need another 7k to 15k account pass. Damn, you full sent those, Farah. You savage, dude. Fuck. Is it time to go on another Apex fucking binge, dude? Those 250k. Oh, okay, hold on. This is my Okay, why do I keep getting rejected order? Hold up. What is happening here? I can't even fucking trade this? Hold on, are we about to miss out on this trade? What the fuck is going on? Do I have trade syncer on or some shit? No, it's not following. Okay, something's very wrong here. I can't execute an order. Is it gonna let me do a mini? No, it's reject. What the fuck is going on here, boys? Is anyone else having problems with alpha right now? What is happening here? Okay, back to support, I guess. Where you go? I was in Poland, London for a while. Yeah, I did a little Euro trip. AI is using you now, bro? About to take all your tokens? What do you mean AI is using me? Let's try one more log out and log back in. Can go ahead and exit out of that completely. Go back to micros. Still rejected. Fuck is going on? Is anyone else having problems? The alpha? Sus. It's making me miss my trade. I want to be long here. Unfucking believable. Alpha. Come on, man. Why you do this to me? Why? Why you no let me long? Let's take a moment to reminisce on my fucking banger day, though. I cannot believe how fucking beautiful today went. Locked in another fucking payout day on our stacked Lucid account. We made 26 bands on in one day. Already took 3 payouts on there. Got another Lucid funded account. Landed a 5G banger on there. Gonna need a little bit more to get a payout there. That's gonna be a little bit of a mission. It's not as safe as this one. Oh, they just sent me a video to fix this. Oh, gotta add tradables. This is the video they just sent me. They just spam click it. That's funny. Okay, let's try it. That was a 100-point banger I just missed out on. Unfucking believable, man. I hope you guys took that. I told you guys the plan. I told you guys the fucking plan. I hope you guys took that trade. I couldn't because of technical fucking issues. I hope you guys took that trade. That was a 100-point banger damn near immediately, too. Jesus. Fucking alpha. Got me there. Immediate 100 points too. We want to enter right there. Boom. Fucking just ripped. Now it's looking like we could go for the cliff too. Yeah, now we got nothing. But I want to test out if it's gonna work, so let's. Oh, still nothing. Try to log in out, log back in. You did, Chris? Hell yeah, good shit, dude. Congrats on that fucking 100-point banger. I still can't take a trade. Still not working. Yeah, no, nothing. Very, very strange, boys. Very, very strange. Why won't it let me cook? Let me cook, por favor. Want a screenshot? Let me send a gold mini. Nah, just everything's getting rejected. The gold mini would have fucking DLL'd us instantly. I'm glad that didn't go through. So we're just kind of chilling. We're chilling until they fix this bullshit. All right, well, if Alpha's not gonna work, what else should we YOLO? I feel like I pretty much have everything. We have TPT, we have Lucid. We don't have more funded next accounts. We have Tradeify already capped out. We have Top Step already capped out. We have Funded Seed already capped out. Maybe today's the day we send trade day, huh? Trump is yapping. Yeah, it's gonna be a chop fest. So maybe it's a good thing that we couldn't send this trade, but that would have gave us our fucking profit for the day for this instant funding account, which would have been nice. But all right, so let's take a look at this. Do we want to go flex? I want daily payout accounts. So I don't think flex is the move. %, consistency, minimum 5 trading days. My God. Might be the flex accounts for these guys. 45% consistency on the eval. It's not too bad. Payouts are so shit. No. What's like another good daily payout prop firm? I think Trade Day's out. Yeah, Trade Day's fucking cooked. Came out with 2.0 and it was just shit 0.0. Let me look at my list because I actually made a fucking list of prop firms with daily payouts. Let's see what we're missing here. We already got these 3. Perdia could cook actually for instant fund. Ooh, Funded Futures Family. I've been eyeing these guys for a hot minute, but that takes a little more research. Traders Launch cooks is just I keep blowing their accounts because they only have $1,000 max loss limit. Funded Seat we're sending already. Blue Sky has been kind of popping off from what Claude's telling me, because I had to do a bunch of research on him. I didn't actually like do in-depth research personally, but I read what Claude was telling me, and Blue Sky might be cooking now. Top 1 futures, I'm surprised is still around. I really am. I'm very surprised they're still around. But their Trustpilot ratings are fucking fantastic. So I thought they were going to be gone in the first like 6 months, but they're past a year now. So it could be actually time to send top 1 futures. Could be. Trade Day OG, don't be salty, my guy. I mean, I wouldn't be salty if they just were better, dude. They just need to be better. Assisting unfunded is gay. Elite daily. Okay, here we go. We got daily payout accounts, I believe. None unfunded. Do these guys even have... Oh, they do have trade of aid. Okay. So what are we looking at? DLL, which is super gay. DLL on the fucking 150K is 1850. That's so bad. So bad. $26 million. Okay, that's pretty good. Let's check out the daily payout caps here. V2. Let's check this out real quick. Maybe at some point Alpha Futures will fix their shit. We can actually fucking start trading, but 90-10 split, okay. Minimum payout's 500. Max payout is 1,000. Payout buffer is 2,500. At least 50% of every future payout must come from new profits generated since your previous payout. That's fucking pretty shit. I'm not liking what I'm seeing. Funded Futures Network. This is a real OG right here too. And it's a BOGO. I remember they just changed their stuff. 2 days to pass. Onyx or Quan Tower. No activation fees. So they're not trade of eights. That ain't good. Let's see their payout rules. You guys have any fucking ideas for me for daily payout prop firms? We have TPT. We have Tradeify. We have Funded Seat right now. We could just run the Funded Next bolts, but they're actually disappearing in 2 days. The bolt accounts are, and so are the rapid accounts. They do have a really good flex account, but I don't want any more flex accounts. I want more daily payout accounts. You guys have a shit website. Like, where the fuck is the help center? Where can I see my payout caps and stuff? 5 accounts, okay. Oh, Ninja Trader. Oh, but it's probably through Rhythmic. Do you offer an affiliate pro? I'm a Funded Next Funded Futures Network affiliate, but nobody actually buys these accounts, so I'm assuming they're kind of shit. I can already tell from the website it's pretty shit. Can't even find the fucking payout caps or anything. Is it a trading bot? My next step is to build a trading bot. So how do payout works? Okay, hold on. We got something here. Okay, so no news trading. 80-20 split. Standard max, express max. I'm pretty sure those are gone, no? I don't know, max. Okay, let's look for steady. Okay, we're steady. They just not make an FAQ section for their new plan. That's funny. It's gonna be in the blog. These guys gotta fucking fix their website. That's a mess. Where's the help center? It's an epic fail. Absolute epic fail. Yeah, okay. Well, we're not getting anywhere with that. Perdia's fucking catching my eye right now. It's only 20% off though.
Baby.
Yeah. My god. Look like you just killed Tong Tong. Oops, still getting rejected. Apex. I want daily payouts. Daily payouts is what I want. TBT put you live yet? No. No, I did hit 3 10K days in a row. But, yeah, they know I'm a degen. They just know it. They don't want to put me live. They know I'll full port that shit. Which low-key, if they did put me live, I would probably trade a lot more conservatively, but, yeah, nah. Right now I'm playing the ROI game. I mean, if this wasn't such shit price action, I might actually reset a TBT 150K Pro. But I think we just blow it very quickly here because, yeah, look at this PA's dog shit. You had 2 accounts with them and no payouts, and they put you in live TBT. You went from pro to pro plus without even getting a payout. Is that what you're telling me, Hammerstone? What, dude? Oh, okay. They just said done. Should be able to trade normally on the account. Let's see. No, still rejected. Let's try to log out. No. Super weird. I've never had this happen before. I almost went with wealth charts. Kind of wish I did go with wealth charts now, but then I can't connect it to TradeSync, so... That's actually crazy, Hammerstone. I cannot believe they just put you into Pro Plus. That's fucking like goated though, dude. Like Pro Plus is like the ultimate live account, by far the best in the entire industry.
Antioxidant.
Full antioxidant tea. God, my baby.
My recipe.
Is that why there was so much fucking red stuff on your hands? Is it made out of blood? Dude, Hammerstone, you're in a sick spot, dude. A super sick spot. I've never heard of that happening before with TPT, but dude, you just hit the holy grail, dude. Holy fucking grail. Assuming you don't blow the accounts and then get put into Pro Plus development. Long time. Where you been? I've been in Poland and London. Did a little Euro trip. Now I'm back in Thailand. Yeah, TBT is getting overloaded. TR. You might be waiting a little bit. Hey, Farah, you're cooking. It's April 16th, dude. That's 3 fucking months. Yeah, you're fucking cooking with gas, dude. I like it. I like it a lot. Oh, fuck. Are we getting a cliff right now? Fuck, do we need to reset a TBT Pro? 150K though? It's so expensive. I really prefer not to. But if this does just straight dunk, I mean, we could land a 10G payout. It'd be kind of lit. You only trade 1 micro, Farah? Dude, you'll probably go to Pro Plus soon, dude, and fucking... If you keep doing what you're doing, you can make a fucking nice living, dude. Real nice one. I'm about to YOLO the TBT 150K reset.
Hey.
Wait, what? What the fuck? All my reset buttons are gone. Oh, okay. No, they're over here. Okay, let's spend the $1,500. Fuck me. Hopefully we don't blow it today. This kind of shit price action. All right, let's try it. We're gonna start hyper scalping, boys. It's gonna be. This is not the price action to be hyper scalping. Is a big problem, but we're gonna try it. Pop open trading view. Let's see if we can get something cooking here. Liking the cliff to 160 to 140s. We break this this level right here, the previous day's low. Ooh, she's already dunking. Yeah, she's pushing through. We'll go for a momentum play right here. So we can get a little scalper in. Kind of bottom ticked it. Oh, we're in micros. I want to be in minis. Maybe that's a good thing though, because fucking that was a bad entry. With the wick up. Okay, now let's go for it. Give us a push. Give us the push. Big push. Big push. No fucking unrealized fucking me. Big push. Big push. Don't one tick me, you fucking bitch. Got a little bit more to go for that zone. Just might need to scalp this in case it bounces, but I think we got a little bit more of a little push down. Possible. Might add back in right here. Let's go for it. Looking for one more devastation push. Let her push, let her push. If she keeps holding like this, we're gonna fucking bail. No big bounce, no big bounce. Let her go, baby, let her go. Give me that TP, baby. She's still holding as low, so I guess we're out. Maybe it'll re-enter on a little bounce, but this might just fucking free fall. Damn, we already made 1700. That's pretty nice. Good little scalp right there. LFG. Anyone else like that scalp? Nice little momentum play. TBT is my favorite prop firm, right? No, Loose is my favorite prop firm, but TBT has been fucking paying me so fucking much, dude. So I'm loving the daily payouts. I'm loving them. We're coming up to a bounce level right here, boys. Could try the long scalp, but this is so bearish, I'm probably not going to do it. Nice, Grant. Fucking smack that TP. Oh, and she's sending it. Look at that. It's a BBC right there, baby. Just tapping into the reversal zone. Just a few more points. Oh, fuck. That was our little long scalp. Yeah, 150. We're getting a nice bounce right here, Claro. Real nice bounce. I don't trust the longs just yet. It doesn't look too shabby for them. We did break this little uptrend, though. Could just be overshoot. Yeah, right off our levels, fucking bouncing. Wouldn't be surprised if it smacked 114s really quick, though. Get a little bounce in and then go fucking whack 114s for the devastation leg, and then we crawl back up. We'll see. We might take previous day's low as our entry. 212-ish. But I want to catch it on the way down. I don't want to try fucking guessing this bounce because this could just fucking rip. Got the 212. Yeah, it's the 212 right there. Barely any rejection. This is the day's mid right here. She's looking bullish though, boys. I don't hop in longs. I'm thinking the same thing, Grant. I'm liking the longs now, dude. They look like they can cook. I mean, this is the trend line right here. Fuck. I wanted a little short scalp there, but I didn't get it. I missed it. I'm looking for like a little double bottom scalp here. But if this breaks this trend line, I'm switching to longs. Or we could wait for the sweep over here again and then take longs. Oh my fucking ripper, Jesus. Holy fuck. What a little pump. What the fuck? Should we fade it? Let's try fading it for a scalp. It's sketchy as fuck. Super tight stop. Let's see if she just dunks right back down. Maybe that was just a fucking fucking F you to the shorts before the next big leg down. A little scalp, or can we get that push? He wants to stay bullish, boys. He's trying. That was a fucking serious impulse move, though, so I'm wondering if we'll just clean it right back on up. Right back down. I mean, we're holding the wop wop. New 5 minutes and 2 seconds. She might just fucking rip. Collapse, collapse, collapse. Por favor. Just holding the daily. Okay, I'm gonna take one off for the scalp. Let's see if we get this one runner pushing. Trump's talking. That's what that random fucking pump was. Maybe he says something bearish about Iran and this thing just fucking absolutely cliffs. Just trying to hold bullish. No, bulls might have it here, boys. Still in the downtrend, but kind of like a flag now. See, the bulls might have it here, boys. They might have it. Above here and we're out. We already took half off, so. Let's see, hopefully we don't get a fucking 100-point ripper right here. I'm waiting to see if Trump will say something super bearish and we'll just dunk 400 points again. But Trump loves to pump it, so maybe he'll say something bullish. We'll just get fucking rinsed immediately. Okay, looking good so far. 114s would be my ideal TP, somewhere around there. Don't know if we're that bearish though. I just need to keep scalping. I'm feeling a fucking devastation leg brewing. I'm putting in a trailing stop just in case. We get a nasty push. Do we need to take our fucking $800 scalp? I'm gonna take it. Just in case, just in case. We're still in the previous day's low right here. She is looking pretty bearish. Juker needs 29,420. I'm trying to blaze it, my boy. We're almost over trailing drawdown here, boys. Almost over it. Might be our long entry right here. It's holding previous day's low. It's looking pretty fucking bearish. Got some farm life stuff to take care of. You fucking work on a farm, dude? You own a farm? It's day beautiful, my boy. See you next time I trade futures. How long can you stay in Thailand at one time? 6 months. I'm on the DTV visa. It's a 5-year visa, 6 month stays at a time. I can just leave whenever and come back though if I wanted to. Like if I was okay, we're trying the longs. I like this level it's holding. This might fucking hurt, but I kind of like how we're holding the previous day's low and how the 15 minutes shaping up. This might be a nasty one though. We gotta have a tight stop here. Fuck, I don't like how it's trailing so tight though. We gotta put it right there. Looking for the flag push here. I think she's got us, yeah. It's sweeping the previous day's low right now, so it could just dump ski. We're gonna wait a little bit. I'll be right back. All right, what do we got? Still not dead. Some terror attacks on energy in Russia, apparently. Downtrend line, Cosmine, let's go long boys. Classic. Yeah, we got a farm, we gotta deal with that fun stuff. Hell yeah. Have fun, my boy. He's still just holding that previous day's low. We might actually be sending another long here. Pulling 200s. I want to believe this is a bull flag, but chances of a cliff are fucking enormous. You think you're done, Grant? I want to see if the Bears get some balls here. Do some momentum plays for the downtrend. But it looks like the fucking Bulls are holding their ground. And then we might slowly creep back on up. Back above 200s. I'm going to try the long one more time here. I don't want this right now. Thank you, baby. I want this to be a bull flag and for just a fucking print. Fucking smack this up here. I gotta be super careful though. Fucking this could just dump skeet. And we're about to be out. Watching that SMA. We'll add one more for the SMA bounce. But I'm not too sure if our bull flag is going to print. Might just get rinsed by a fucking cliff skeet. U5. We get our bounce. Looking for our bull flag to print. We want it. It kind of already did it right here is the only problem, but that was a Trump fucking... That was a Trump pump right there. Can we get another Ripper? Can we get another Giga Ripper? Do I need to take some risk off? We did go into 2. I only want to be in 1. Well, my greed is fucking tingling. Let's see if we can get a blast off here. We're tapping the trend line, so taking one off is not a terrible idea. Yeah, okay, we'll take one off. Let's see if we get our one runner in a dream. Still holding previous day's low. Trying to be bearish. Another tap of that SMA. Could add again for the bounce, but I'm not feeling like this is going to be crazy bullish. Let's see what this 5-minute does. Holding pretty nicely right now. It's holding. I might actually add. It's too sketchy now. We don't need to oversize. This is a sketchy trade. We got 1 minute in a dream, baby. I feel like Wednesdays are always like this. Wednesdays used to be my favorite days when I was options trading back in like 2022. I used to fucking have my fucking biggest days, 6-figure days. Options trading on Wednesdays. Those are my favorite days. But yeah, it's completely different fucking market on Wednesdays now. Wednesdays are pretty fucking lame overall. And in New York especially. London and Asia or Globex in Asia fucking cooked today. That was wonderful. We might actually get our bull flag print right here. I kind of doubt it, but we might. I almost want to scalp it because this is a little high risk, but fuck me, if we catch a 100.5 minute dildo, I'll be fucking super happy. Top of the hour just passed. Is it lunchtime? I believe it's lunchtime right now, so we might just see a little bit of bullshit happening. Yeah, I'm gonna take it. Take the little scalp. We're at $3,000 profit on this account. $1,500 more, and we start unlocking daily withdrawals. Maybe we full port 10 fucking minis. See if we can just fucking bang out a 10G day real quick. If this bitch starts cliffing. I gotta try the short. I gotta try it. I still like that 114 target. Let's see what happens. It's holding real bearish right now. See if we get that push. The 5 minute looks like it's holding. It's trying to hold bullish. It's trying so hard, but maybe the fucking bears just come in and fucking obliterate. Yeah, just New York. Yeah, New York has been shit on Wednesdays. It's trying to set up for a bull flag print right now. Will it reject and bust it down for us? I'm actually not loving the short entry, so we're gonna try getting a short entry up here if anything. I still like the bull flag play, but goddamn, it could just go either way right now. It's just too sketchy. This is the time we just chill and keel. Still no laptop crash. Recording, waiting for it. Not seem to want to go. Oh, she is gonna send the shorts. See if it's a double bottom or not. Fuck, it's looking like it's gonna be the full-blown cliff. No. And we bitched out on our shorts. I mean, this double bottom holds. We might be able to hold this for the grind back on up to high a day. Let's try to go for this low sweep here. Let's see if we can get to the 114. It's trying to bust down. We got the little bounce. It wasn't that big of a bounce. Should be able to fucking shove. I almost want to go super heavy for this, but it's just such shit PA that I don't trust it. Come on, let loose, NQ. Let loose. The bounce was weak. Bears might be in control here, boys. Will we get to full sander? Could TP this double bottom, but what if she just falls right on through? There's a sweep. Can we get the push? Follow through? Follow through for me, baby. I want the 114s. I might just be taking it right here, though, off the SMA for a scalper. Still tapping into a reversal zone on the HTFs. That was a nice little push, though. Damn, $920? Yeah, okay, good thing we're only going one mini. Fucking A. This ATR is fucking massive. Okay, trying the long play here for a scalp too. Super sketchy. Looking for that bounce here. Looking for that bounce. We got a low sweep. Didn't continue with the fucking velocity. We got the new 5-minute printing. Looks like the cliff might be in. Do they want the cliff? Do they want it? Let's fucking put a stop there just in case it fucking dunks with the quickness. That's right at my 114 TP level, dude. Doesn't look like we're gonna be getting this bounce. She's gonna shove it. Boom. Maybe miss our stop by a ball hair. This is an SMA play right here. No, it's gonna get us. Okay. That was a fail. Does seem like it's gonna be cliffs for days. Might just be able to hold shorts. It's at that 50% retracement. Just about. 114s just got swiped. Okay, we're approaching the bottom of the reversal zone. I don't know if we're gonna long it, but if it doesn't bounce, then we will be joining the shorts. Ooh, fuck. It's nice. It's turning into a real nice cliff. Ooh, baby. Cliff E. This is the bottom of the reversal zone. I feel like I gotta try the longs, but this is so dumpy. Okay, just for a little scalp. Don't fucking just obliterate me here. Bottom of the reversal zone. Just got tagged. Give me a nice lick bounce. Giga tight stop. Big bounce, big bounce. Give me the big old bounce. Still trying to hold super bearish. Can we get a nasty one? Make it nastier. Looking for the 15-minute bounce here. A little bit more of a bounce. Still pretty bearish though. Will we get it? Let her rip, let her rip. Not liking the fucking bulls slacking off here though. Okay, there we go. They're picking up a little bit now. Come on, keep on pushing, baby. It's SMA tag, but we fucking have a big level here. Can we get the ripper? Do we need to take the scalper? She's just gonna send it. The 50's coming up. This could be a TP zone, but fucking she's getting some momentum, boys. We're getting some legs here on the bulls. Trailing stop is fucking super tight. I might hit our trailing stop. Oh fuck, that was my TP level right there, 160. Oof. Yeah, I think we're gonna get stopped out, but it's still profit, so fuck it. It's a good little push. You down? You're still thinking clip, huh, Grant? This is a 50% retracement, dude. I mean, this could be all she wanted for the downtrend, but I'm kind of with you on the bearish side. God damn, I think this fucking long might rip right here. Got a beautiful reversal candle in the 5-minute too. That trailing stop kind of fucked us. Literally just wiped out our last trade. 690, 690. You're a short, Grant? Yeah, I still like it too, but I think this might be a little chop zone right here. God damn, she's looking bearish. We might be switching over to alpha futures really quick though. I had to sign some contract. We might have our account ready. Got a nice $3,600 profit on that TBT Pro though, so that's nice. We're almost done with the trailing drawdown. Let's see if our alpha futures issue is resolved. Oh yeah, she's trying to cliff it. Oh, okay, we got to fill. I'm just doing one micro just in case it bounces here, but I think we're about to get out. This is bearish as fuck. Just want to see if we'll have a little range here. Oh my god. Oh, I did one mini. Fuck me. Oh my lordy. Did not want to do that. That's funny. Maybe we'll trade one mini. No, we can't trade one mini on a fucking $300 DLL account. Scalp a bounce, maybe. Doesn't look like she's gonna bounce, but maybe she will. Why is MNQ and NQ moving different? What the fuck? It looks like it is. Five-minute looks so fucking bearish. 3 minutes holding pretty nicely. Here's a new 5-minute. Let's try to go for a little scalp here with the longs. Super degen, probably get cooked, but hold the line, motherfucker. We're 9. We're basically in 1 minute. Fucking rip. Yeah, no, I'm out on that. We do have a pivot point coming up at the 30s. I might just send the 3 micros shorts and see if we actually do get down to 700s here for this account. $32 is my first TP, so we might add into it. But our drawdown's looking pretty bad right now. This is a nice cliff skeet though. See how low she'll go. 32 is coming up. Keep on pushing, baby. Keep on pushing. We're at risk for a decent sized bounce. It already hit that fucking pivot, actually. Gotta be super careful here. DLL's $1,000. I'm gonna wait for this to be a little bit more clear. See if we're going for the full-blown cliff or if we're just tapping the zone. Best stars in the house. What up, my boy? Fuck is up, dude? We're trading the brand new Alpha Futures direct account, instant funding. We just fucking smacked the $3,800 TBT account. 150k pro reset. So we're not at payout yet, but we're close. We're almost done with a trailing drawdown, which is wonderful. Unrealized trailing. Okay, the bounce might be done. Well, let's try to scale into some shorts. Let's see if we get the Omega dump. That was a weak ass bounce. It might just be getting started though. $50 seconds on the new 15 as well. Looking for it to get a little more bearish for us, boys. And we're going to add into our shorts. Not shorting the bottom, are we? Potentially. We just bounced off a massive pivot. Here's the new 15. She wants to rip, huh? Did I just bitch out? Somewhat in the mood to flip bullish, but nah, look at this. She's still getting bearish. Yeah, we just bitched out way too early. It's a little sweep. Come on, 29.15. Yeah, if she breaks this level, this bitch is gone, dude. Like, gone. I think she's gonna get this push. Scale into the shorts. Might take a little bit of heat. I think she'll be good for it. Might DLL here actually, because going up to 1 mini here. But maybe, just maybe, we get the push instead. Okay, I gotta take some off because, yeah, we're getting real close to DLL. That new 15 minutes trying to hold bullish. Not amazing. Okay, we got the sweep. I'll add back in, but I think we're DLLing here, boys. And not enough room. Probably wants to tap this 99 right here, and that's gonna be our DLL. You could try taking them off, but I don't think we'll make it. Oh. It's DLL. Yeah, fuck it. Forget about it. Fucking Alpha Futures. Cannot seem to get a payout with those motherfuckers for some reason. Looks like a reversal it does a little bit, but it's still holding the 15-minute trend. It's tapping into the bear zone right now to continue the downtrend, possibly. The 5-minute does look a little bit bearish. There's the 100 rejection though. Let's see if we can lock in a payout with TBT today. Get a few scalps in. Thanks for the follow, Rafa, my boy. This is a really nice short zone right here. We could try it even though it looks like a fucking reversal. Hopefully she just gets that fucking plunge to fucking the 29Ks. She already got the double bottom failure. Might just be up, up, up and away. She's rejecting it with 100s again. She rejects that 100s. We're looking golden. Keep rejecting that 100s. I'm gonna add, motherfucker. So 100s again. I'm gonna add one more, and then if it keeps on pushing, we're out. Oh wow, she's ripping. Hope that SMA, we gotta get out. Add one more for good measure. Slam it back down, or otherwise we are cooked. Is looking very reversally. Can we get that smack down real quick? No. Now we gotta get out. Fuck. Yeah, that's a big green dildo on the 15. That's a big green boy. We're $900 away from daily payouts. Now we're about 2,000 away. Not that short. I held one con for a runner, but I'm good. Yeah, I mean, it still has short potential. It's just probably going to fuck around for a hot minute. I kind of like the longs more now. We are coming up to that level, though, that 160s. Which is not bad for a fucking short skeets. But damn, she's getting bullish on us. 144 is a fib level. She's on that fib level right now, bud. You could try the short one more time, see if she smacks. Go late size. Instant rejection, very nice. Still holding bullish though. She slammed back down. That looked like a little bit of an impulse move. Still holding the 5-minute downtrend. Feeling like a scalp to me, so I will take it. Let's see, this will tell us right now that this level around here, this level-ish is going to be the level to see if we're going to stay bearish or V-shaped recovery. It's looking like an impulse move. Smack it back down. Kind of liking the longs for the 160 sweep though. But goddamn, she might just cliff. Might be able to try a long at the 93s. See if she will go for that 160 or if she's that's that bearish. She's slam it. The bulls are fighting here, boys. Going up a little bit of a battle. Do 5-minute. Still in trend. Might bust the trend and fucking rip. I'm still 50-50 right now, so I'm flat. By the way, guys, if you're not subscribed, you didn't like the live stream, please like it and subscribe. It helps me a lot, and I appreciate you guys, and I fucking love you. The bulls are going for that 160 sweep. Didn't give us our entry at the 93s that I wanted. She's going for the V-shaped recovery right here. Little descending wedge action right here. Might need to hop on the bull train, but we still have that major level at 160s. That needs to break before I fucking even think about going bullish. Bought 550k Lucid Pro with your code, bro. My man, code DGT. I appreciate you, dude. Fucking love it. Love it. Or use code DGT. Your chances of hitting a payout increase dramatically. So let's take a look at my Lucid accounts. Fucking, I'm so happy. Fucking, I hit that 126k banger the other day, or the other week, a few weeks ago. I've just been rinsing payouts on this one, and then today we hit this 5k banger on a freshly funded Lucid Flex. Trying to double rinse Lucid right now and then unlock that Lucid Max program, which is daily payouts. I've been fucking eyeballing that super hard. I want it. They'll send me live because of this account, I'm sure, unless I totally completely fuck it up. But probably not gonna happen. So we'll probably rinse them. We're on payout number 4 now. We have 2 more days to payout number 4 with Lucid here on this one account, I believe. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Payout number 4 is what we're working on. And once I start rinsing them with this account as well, they're probably gonna move me to live pretty quickly. And then I'll get daily payouts from there. And if we blow it, we'll get Lucid Max availability. And we will be able to have daily payouts there, I believe, as well. I haven't really looked too far into Lucid Max, but yeah, it looks pretty good. It's really testing this downtrend. I'm tempted to take the trend play short, but I kind of want to long the 93s for the 160 sweep. I already got close enough to the 160s though, so I might not actually need the sweep. Holding the 100s. Keep on running out of storage. I'm trying to record my my laptop so I can catch it when it crashes, because MSI wants video evidence. So I have to like keep on like deleting the videos and deleting the recently deleted videos. Alright, make sure I catch this motherfucker. Oh shit, it's hitting that one. Still so bearish though. Could be worth it for the scalp. Let's see if we can get that 160. I don't really love it, but I think it might be okay. Come on, give me the banger. Breaking the downtrend on the 5 minutes. Good looking so far. Can we get that push? Baden taking one off because we got this nice little pump, but she might just be fucking rippering. Oh no. Fuck, I should have took that one off. Does she want the 160s though? This cliff could be vicious. Might need a de-risk. Maybe she hodls. Nah, it's looking like a cliff. Skeet. I don't think she's gonna give us her 160 sweep. She just might still. We still got a little bit of a shot here. Getting super high risk now though. New 15-minute as well. holding. Come on. Add one more. See if we get this little scalp. Don't fucking cliff on me, please. Give me a little bounce, little bounce, little bounce. It's rejecting the 100s. It's really bad news bears for us. She's trying to hold. She's trying. The dump could be vicious here, though. We might just get fucking cooked. We get the 160s. Not looking too hot. Might need a bail. No vicious dump, por favor. Just holding our pivot right here. It's very nice, very nice. A little bit of a bull flag right here too. Can we pump her on up? Still in Thailand? Yeah, I'm in Bangkok again. Just got back from Poland. New 5 minutes. And it's gonna go bearish, ain't it? $10 minutes to top of the hour. I'm tempted to de-risk because this could just collapse. She's holding. Just sweep through. Not looking good. Needs to bounce hard here. Okay. A little bit of a bounce. Downward chop. Don't push it. Fuck, she pushed it. Fuck. Get back a lot of our profit here, boys. Downtrend is downtrending. Fading dog, yeah. The long play was fucking cooked. It was a clear downtrend. Shit, we only have $1,400 of fucking drawdown left. Looking for a top of the hour fucking play up next. Might just be a grind down forever today. Looking at what, 180 points for a low day. Watch a Trump tweet, insane rocket this bitch. Ooh, that'd be wonderful. I think this is going to be a chop zone for a little bit, so we might be playing the chop. Entry at 250s, the 50s for a scalper. I don't have much room to play with anymore though, so we got to size down to 1 mini. Nasty push. Gonna try along like a fucking degen in a second here. Possibly. Here's the 50s. We're trying the long. Trying to get a little bounce scalp here. Might just collapse on us. Gonna add one more, just in case we do get a nice wick up. She does collapse, we're pretty much cooked. Looking for a 15-minute barcode here. Sweep that 260s or 160s. Still looking awfully bearish though. Got the bounce play, but we didn't take profit. Might be the end of us. She looks like she wants to shove. Come on, give me that wick. Give me that wick. That 5-minute wick, baby. Looking for it. We want it. Give me that nice juicy bounce, baby. Give me that nice fucking Trump tweet to send us up 300 fucking points. Okay, keep on pushing, baby. Keep on pushing. Keep on pushing. You want the 60s? Don't reject the hundreds again. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't reject those hundreds. Blast through those hundreds. Blast through them. Blast through those hundreds. Tempted to take one off, but I'm feeling greedy. I'm feeling greedy. Come on, blast through the hundreds. Blast through them. Blast through those hundreds. Dude. Blast them. Blast them. Blast them. Really tempted to take off half the risk. We got $1,000 profit. But I kind of want to see that push. She's shaping up for a fucking bull flag right here, so we might get a fucking ripper. But we are in a downtrend, so maybe not. Odds are we're not. Okay, I got to de-risk. Which kind of sucks. Got our bounce play, but we didn't scalp it. I think I'm fucking burning out a little bit here, boys. A lot of trading today. It's the early AM. Downtrend's still holding pretty strong. Three minutes. Should we get the push, or can we add our second one back in here real quick? Let's try adding the second one back in. Let's see if this will be our ripper here. The hundreds rejection was really bad for us, actually. But this could have just been a fucking lick bounce, and now we fucking work our way back up. Let's see what happens. Trying to be bearish still. She's trying. Bulls ain't having it. The Bulls ain't having it. Looking to break past those hundreds. You already got the nasty rejection. Still looking bearish AF though. Okay, bulls are kind of fighting back here. Can we keep on getting that push? Not looking crazy hot, but it's not looking too bad either. Come on, bulls. Give me that 100-point ripper. Oh, you want to give it to me. No, you want it. No, you want to give it to me. Break past the hundreds and we're fucking smooth sailing, boys. Break past the hundreds and we're smooth sailing. Come on. Yeah, there's the hundreds. Okay, okay. Keep on pushing, baby. Keep on pushing. Give me that fucking ripper now. Downtrend is getting cooked. Can we fucking push it? Can we fucking rip it with a 5-minute 100-point dildo? This is not a bad place to take one off, but I'm feeling greedy. Bulls are getting a little bit of momentum here. Still holding the hundreds. Can we get a fucking runner? Top of the hour? Oh my god, I'm getting nervous. I don't want to take one off because I'm scared. My greed is telling me to hodl. Hodl for the payout. Oh yeah. Come on. Give us that big fucking push, baby. Big fucking push. Come on. Come on. Push it. Push it. Push it. Fucking push it. This is a good TP right here. I'm going to take one off just in case. Let's see if we get one fucking con and a fucking dream for a fucking monster runner. Let's see if we can get it, boys. We're back to where we started before we fucked up a bunch over here. We're just at the top of the range now, but fucking downtrend is broken. We might be grinding back up. Might be in for a grinder. Above the 60s, I'll actually add to these longs. She's gonna scream up. Fuck yeah, let's go. She already is screaming, and just how far will she scream? Top of the range is holding. Bulls are fighting big time here. She can get this fucking ripper. Do I need to add back in right now? Oh no. Fucking whatever. One minute a dream, baby. 1 minute a dream. Let her fucking run. Let her fucking run for me, bud. Very close to adding back in right here. One more. I'm gonna do it. I added one. I'll TP that one right there. Maybe we won't. Maybe we'll see if she just wants to fucking run it. Come on, bull, send her up for me, please. Scream. Scream on up. There's SMA tap. Can she keep on ripping? Can she keep on going? She's looking wishy-washy. Still want that 160 sweep. Hey, what's up, Reg Hob? Give me the ripper, por favor. Bang it out. Bang it out, baby. Come on, give us that push. Give us that big fucking juicy push. Let her fucking rip. Let her fucking rip. Tempted to hold this for the 10K payout. I think we can get up to 230s, but fucking 60s level is such a big deal. I mean, this is a big deal right here itself. New 5. Can we start ripping? There's that 144 level getting blasted. Do we need to take one off just in case it fucking goes for the range play? Or is she just gonna fucking obliteration run? Oh my god, yeah, keep on pushing. Keep on pushing, baby. Keep on pushing. Do we have ourselves a runner here, boys? This is the top of the range sweep. Oh, she's blasting it. Here's that 160s. This is the danger zone. I'm going to have to take one off there. Just in case we fucking reject back into the range. We're at payout right now, so anything above here is a payout. I got to bail on it. I think I'm being a pussy, but it's the top of the range and a little bit of a downtrend. It's a little bit sketchy. I got that 160 sweep. Very tempted to go back short, but we're going to look for a little confirmation here. Possibly even a long re-entry, but I think this might be our range right here. We have a $61 payout locked in, boys. LFG. We're above the buffer. That's the fucking main thing. Damn good trading. You know how I do investors. Fucking love you, my boy. I use micros? No. Don't try to fucking curb my confidence, dude. I'm confidence maxing right now. Mini scalping. Trump just started talking. Uh-oh. Shit might go ballistic. I don't know if Trump talking is gonna be bullish or bearish though. Micros are gay. Yeah, low key. No, on TBT I don't use micros. On the 50K accounts I do. We got to see if she's going to hold this range right here or not. Right now, she's still holding Giga Bullish. NATO chief speak at the end of the summit in Turkey. Fuck, she looks like she's going for the range play. A little bit of a banger right there, huh, boys? Almost 90 points. He'll trade through 500 points. Dude, I just held 2 minis for fucking 90 points, though. So that makes me like 4 times cooler than you, investors. 4 times. 4x multiplier on coolness. Testing that 160 again. She might want the fucking Ripper, boys. She's looking pretty good for it on the 5. Ooh, she's getting that push. She's getting that push, boys. Close to top blasting this bitch. And go for the 200. That's 20 points. Risky, though. I hesitated too much. That's a beautiful Ripper right there. God damn. Absolute beautiful Ripper. Put Trump in background. Was it the White House YouTube channel? Yeah, he's live right now.
Are the largest contributor to NATO monetarily and maybe otherwise, and the strongest military.
Can you guys hear all right?
Anywhere in the world, and they respect us as a country. Again, they didn't respect us 2 years ago. They laughed at us. NATO laughed at us. Everybody laughed at us. They don't laugh anymore. There's no more laughing.
There's no more laughing.
We invested a record $1
Love
trillion
it.
in our armed forces, and we're going to be asking for 1.5 trillion.
God damn, what a beautiful fucking palm. This is exactly what we wanted, and we got it. We just fucking didn't hold it all the way.
In the working session this morning, we discussed the progress
Barely?
that their members are making toward the 5% target, and they're making great progress. Many of these countries are very rich, by the way. We don't have to feel sorry for them. But it doesn't mean they're properly protected. There's a big difference. Some have truly answered the call, and others are making big changes and will be answering the call. I think I can say in all cases they're going to be answering the call. And we'll be taking in over $1 trillion a year toward defense. And that's a tremendous amount of money. It's a big up. They were at 2%.
Fuck, this bull runs
They were actually at
beautiful.
1%. I got them to 2%. Then I wanted to get them to 5%. And we got up to 5%.
This is a short level, but I'm scared to short
they're-
this shit.
You know, just again, if you could have seen the respect and the love in the room, and it's love really for the country, for our country. I don't want to say me because you'll say, oh, he's so conceited. He's such a conceited person. But they do. I mean, you know,
It's really not a bad
they like the
short,
job
but Trump
I'm
is
doing.
so
They said,
bullish
"We
right
love-
now.
Sir, we love you. These are grown people saying that. Isn't that nice? Maybe, I don't know, maybe they're trying to get to me. And in the way they did, because there was tremendous unity in that room. And I urge all nations to accelerate their plans to get the benchmark as quickly as
FOMO's
possible.
kicking in for me. I fucking
Benchmark is going to be that 5% number. That's the number it should have been for years.
We've been another
As a
60
result of
points.
the
Oh my
commitment we
God.
achieved last year, defense spending of other NATO members surged by more than almost $150 billion in 2025, and much of that money is being spent on American-made equipment. They all want American-made equipment. We're pushing very hard to have the defense companies, and they're great. We make the best equipment, the Patriots and the Tomahawks, and everything we have is considered to be the best. Not by me, it's everybody wants it. I wish we made it faster because we could sell as much as we could make. And as you know, I had Lockheed and every one of the companies, all of the companies who were
What a
Raytheon
fucking
as an example,
ripper,
Boeing.
Jesus.
So many of those great companies are now building plants. They had big plants, but they were using them 24/7. I said, that's not the way to do it. You have to build more plants. You don't have to just go overtime. No tax on overtime. Remember that, please? No tax on overtime. Those people are happy. But they were doing literally 24 hours to get the Tomahawks done and the Patriots done and all of the other defensive and offensive equipment done. It's the most sought after equipment in the world. You saw that with Venezuela, where they had a lot of great equipment. It wasn't
I might
ours.
be shorting it
didn't
at
work.
30s. It's going to be stupid, but I'm going to try to get a little scalp
We have to
in
produce it faster
around the
for other
BWAP.
countries, for everybody, including ourselves. We
Fucking
have to
hate it when
produce
that shit
faster. So we
happens. I
think within a
fucking
year and
pussy
a
out on
half
the bull
max,
run. Now I just
we'll
want
be,
to
instead
short
of
it.
waiting for a year or 2 years, we'll be having it on a 2-week wait, maybe a 1-week wait.
I got out of my lungs. Yeah, I TP'd over here because I
Really
thought
well.
it could
A
be
lot
a
of
range
people
play, but no,
They're
I just
waiting. They're
ripped.
waiting. They want to get this defensive equipment, maybe in particular the defensive equipment, but offensive and defense. As much of that money is being spent on American-made equipment. That's the money that the European
God,
and
this might
Canada
actually just rip
are
up all the
spending,
way up
European
here
countries
too.
mostly, and Canada. And they're
I still want to try the short around here. Super
largely.
risky, but
And it's American-made, made in the USA.
I'll be able
as
to
we
get a
say.
little scalp in.
Weapons, munitions, supporting thousands of American jobs. This will increase. We have the highest number of jobs. Right now, we have the most people working in the United States that we've ever had in the history of our country. We have the biggest investment ever made, $19.2 trillion. That's 6 times more than we've ever had. Think of it, 6 times more. And what did that were tariffs. Without the tariffs, I think we would have done fine, like at about 2 or 3. The last administration had much less than $1 trillion invested for 4 years. We have $19.2 trillion invested in 1 year. We haven't gone into the extra almost a half a year, 1.5 years.
Is static
Those numbers
DD or
won't
is
come out for a little
still
while.
trailing until
we
tomorrow?
have,
Is the question I have for what?
19.2 trillion, not billion.
Are you talking about
not million,
investors?
trillion with a T, invested in plants and equipment that's being built all over the country. Eli Lilly is building plants, big drug, Merck, all of them. The drug companies are building. The car companies are building like crazy.
2
In
weeks
fact,
out, hold those and
as you
get
probably
cooked.
saw a big announcement yesterday, Toyota is leaving Mexico and they're going to build one of the biggest car manufacturing plants in the world in
Yeah,
Texas.
my TBT
because of
trailing
the
is
tariffs,
stopped now.
because
Now it's
We don't mind if you build in Mexico.
static
but if
or
you
whatever
build in
you wanna
Mexico,
call
you have
it,
to pay
yeah.
25% tariff.
Yeah, I'm above the buffer
If you
now.
build in
No
Japan,
intraday
you
trailing
build in
anymore.
Any place. Now, China is a much higher tariff. It's a 100% tariff because we don't want to lose our jobs. We don't want to have our workers lose their jobs. We have the largest number of plants being built for the most money ever in the history of our country. Car plants, AI plants, and all other plants, pharmaceutical plants, chips.
Do I want to try
We're not
this
skipping
short?
anything.
Is the
All we're saying is,
question.
if you
So
don't start,
bullish.
we'll
This
give
is my
them
short
a year and a half
level.
to 2 years to build their plant. If they don't have that, they have to pay 100%, 200%, even 250%.
Such a strong trend.
If they make a chip or if they make a car, if they make pharmaceuticals. So the pharmaceutical companies are moving in at record levels. There's never been anything like what's happening. Let me put it a different way.
Here it is, my short entry. I'm gonna try it. I might just get fucking obliterated
with this country
here.
or any other country in the history of the world. There has never been growth. There's never been manufacturing plants being built. We have so many being built. And in the big ones, like AI, some of the AI, we let them build their own electric plants. We force them to build. We don't want, because the old grid that we have wouldn't be able to supply. They need, just as an industry, more energy than the entire country produces right now, when you think of it, which is incredible. So take all of the energy that the United States produces, and that one industry, which is so big, so powerful, it needs more than that. In fact, some people say almost double. So this was my idea. I said, you can never service that. You can't reinvigorate the grid. You can make it better, but nothing like that. You wouldn't be able to build. And we're leading China in AI, in just about everything. But we're leading China in AI. Even in TikTok, you know, I was watching somebody say, oh, the TikTok deal, it's so bad well, because they say the deal was incredible, but they think the word that gets out is bad, except the numbers just came out, and I'm number one on TikTok, and all I do is talk about communism, right? So it's
sure gonna
I
good.
use it to get elected too, but you know, you have to get your word out. But the numbers came out just a little while ago, and I was number one. Some ridiculous number. I never heard of numbers like that.
Looking for like a little scalp to like around 200.
And all these entertainers, they're number 27, 29. It's crazy. I don't even understand myself. But that means that my word's getting out about how great our country is, how successful our country is, and how bad communism is, and how bad these lunatics are that are
Bulls
running
are just
for
holding so
election
fucking well, though.
Don't sound good, don't think good, and don't look good. I don't see any looker. I don't see anybody with the look. You know, you need the look, I guess. You need something, but they don't have it. And I think they'll fade fast. And it's not social democrats. This is not a social
There's a
These
new
are communists
five.
that are running. And they don't want God. They don't want successful things to happen for our country. They don't want to have a successful country. I think
The sweep of the WAP.
As European nations rebuild their militaries, American equipment
Might
will
be a ripper here.
be the largest beneficiary. The defense companies are going to be making most of that equipment. They want the American equipment because it works better. It's not a question of anything else. We make the best equipment in the world. And to that end, I provided other leaders with an update on the steps we're taking to rapidly scale up production in the United States. And they
just a
wanted
little
to
bit
hear that
more
because
room,
they
but I
really
think our
want to
shorts
get
are
it
cooked.
4 years, 5 years.
I mean,
They
we're
wanna get it
shorting a
like
bull run. What do we expect?
And we'll actually be at a point like that in the not too distant future with the plants that are being built. The defense plants, it's incredible. Lockheed is building, I think, 5. Some of them are building 3, 4, or 5.
Add one
They're big
more for
ones.
maximum
It's
degeneracy.
gonna quadruple the output we have with the munitions and the basic equipment itself, whether it's a Patriot,
Probably just go for
Tomahawk
blast
missile,
off.
or any of the missiles that we make many
Yeah,
missiles,
now we're
different
out.
types, for
Fuck.
different occasions. And just today at the summit, we announced $3 billion in new
Yeah.
defense investments
Bull
with U.S.
run is
companies.
bull running.
And,
Shocker.
Lockheed Martin will establish a world-class
I knew it was a
Patriot
bad
missile
idea, but it did it
sustainment
anyway.
facility, a big
Fucking
deal in
rip.
Europe. They're given a tremendous incentive by Europe to do that. All goes to the benefit of us and Europe.
God,
because
this is
they're
just
getting the best
ripping, dude. If we just
Northrop
held
Grumman
those
is moving
fucking 2 minis right
forward
there,
with
I'm pretty
the
sure we
sale
would
of
hit 10
advanced American
bandos
drone
already.
technology. We're actually the leader
Max
in drone
TBT
tech. A lot of
payout, but we
people don't
fucked
know
that
that.
up.
We have the most sophisticated drones in the world. And we're a real, I guess we're the leader, but we'll soon be the leader by many times over.
Fuck, we lost 2
And
G's
Lockheed
there?
and
How the fuck?
Rheinmetall are announcing a partnership to build the Army Tactical Missile Systems, which is a big deal. And Anduril is announcing a deal to build their new Barracuda missiles, which is a very highly sophisticated, fast missile. And we're doing that for Poland. Poland's doing very well, by the way, with a very, very good president, great president, I think. All of these agreements
Man,
directly
I'm still
benefit the
thinking
US
about
defense
shorting, and it's just gonna
industry
fucking burn
base.
me.
And what it really does is it means jobs. And again, I have to just say that when Toyota announced yesterday, I wasn't that surprised, but everybody wanted to get that. That's the largest I think it's going to be the largest plant in the world, car plant, and they're moving into the United States.
Join
And
the
again, they're
bull
doing that
run.
to
I
avoid
know, I
paying the tariff,
know.
Because if you build your
I'm
product
just
here,
fucking pissed
you pay
off
no
because I
tariff.
bailed
If you
too
don't, you pay
early.
25%
So I'm
tariff,
like
depending,
trying to short it
35%
down.
sometimes.
Fucking
Sometimes
kind of like
100%,
revenge trading type deal.
200%, depending on what the
We have
product
like a
is.
point of control at
As an example, we're
313,
doing
so I'm
great on
curious
steel
what's gonna
because we
happen when we
charge
get
tariffs. And
there.
now all of a sudden, the steel industry, which was absolutely dead a few years ago, I
I'll
revived
try
it
the
in my
longs
first
to
term,
like
pretty good.
313
And then they blew it
ish.
in the Biden term.
Hopefully she just
What a
rips and she
shame. They
doesn't
just blew
dunk
it
on
right out the
me.
win- They had no idea what they were doing, and I quickly revived it at the beginning of this term, year and a half. And the steel business is through the roof. We don't even make aluminum anymore. Now we're going to have the largest aluminum plant in the world being built in Oklahoma. I love Oklahoma. 77 out of 77 counties, 3 times. And it's great. It's a great state. They're going to be building the largest aluminum plant in the entire world
It's fucking
in
pullback time.
Oklahoma. It's starting very soon. Over the course of the past 2 days, I had a number of excellent discussions with other leaders at the summit and held productive bilateral meetings with essentially all of them. We had dinner last night, just about all of them were there. President Erdogan of Turkey, as well as President Zelensky, and he just came in, as you probably saw, had a little press conference, and also
Starting 412.
President al-Shara of Syria, who's doing an unbelievable job in unifying Syria. What a job he's doing. Syria was a mess with what happened with the previous government, you know that? Very dangerous place, and now it's just come
Gauge
together.
gap
It's done a
around
fantastic
415.
job. People are talking about
Yeah, I
it.
like it. I'm gonna try the longs
In
again.
every conversation, it was clear that America is back,
Need a better entry.
and we're stronger and bigger and better than ever before.
Might be
More
the
jobs,
best
as
one I
said, than
get.
ever before. And we're respected again like maybe never before. We are so respected as a country. That's why I wish I told
Try it.
the Secretary General, Mark, I said,
Let's try it.
it's too bad the press could
Hopefully we
not
don't
see
get
what's
fucking
happening in
railed
this
here.
room. You saw the big round circle with all of the leaders of all of those
Probably
countries.
could wait a little bit longer,
And I don't
but
know. I think they should allow it. The theory is that they won't be
maybe she just rips.
speaking quite as freely.
Even
and it won't
more.
be quite as good, but
That was already a hell of a
it was
rip,
amazing,
though.
Actually, the unity in that room was incredible. The really a love. It was sort of pretty wild. There was a love in that room that was great. So this was a tremendously successful summit. And again, I want to thank President Erdogan, Turkey, and so many of the presidents, prime ministers. They were all here from NATO, the NATO countries.
Add one more.
And in particular, we have to thank the Secretary General Mark Rutte for doing a fantastic job. He really put on a tremendous, his was just something, he's a unifier. He's a tremendous unifier. So I could
Next
take a
pop
few
up, I'm gonna
questions.
take one off.
We've done a few of these already today, so I don't think we should take too many. I don't think we should take, so we're going to keep it a little bit short, and I know a lot of you are going home. Some are going with me.
I just want to hold
So
this
go
for the
ahead,
10K
please.
bag.
Sir, yes. Yes. No. The gentleman right here. The very tall gentleman who's very insecure. He doesn't want to ask the question. He's a handsome guy, but he's very insecure. Go ahead. Do you want to shout it out? Give
Very
him a mic.
handsome guy, but he's very
How about giving him a
insecure.
mic? Shout
Fucking
it out.
Trump's so funny. I guess I'm taking one off. I'm bailing like a
Seems
bitch.
to be a strategic dead end for you. Why are you apparently unable to end the Iran war?
So I think we're doing just the opposite. The Iran war has been a tremendous military success. And, I can only answer the question by saying they're not going to have a nuclear weapon. I was there for one reason that Iran cannot have.
Because I
a
fucking
nuclear
shorted
weapon. I
right
call it
here. That's why my 2K
denuclearize
fumbled.
Iran, and that's happened. They will never have a nuclear weapon.
I'm
That
at
stuff is
3K
so
now,
far
though.
down under a mountain. It's a granite mountain that collapsed on top of it. Take months to get it out.
There's a fucking
I think
ripper.
it's a tremendous success, Iran. And you see the oil prices are lower than they were when I started. And people like to say that, but look, they have no military left. Their Air Force is gone. As I said, their ships are gone. 159 ships
sweet.
are gone. They're at the bottom of the sea. Their radar's gone. Everything's gone.
I'm worried it might be
when you say
pullback
not a
time.
success, it's a tremendous
There's such a
success. The
fucking
fake news
ripper
likes
like
to say how
that.
well, they're doing terrible.
But it might
They have
just keep going up
350%
forever.
Inflation. When the war started, they had like 6%, 5%. They have, they're dealing with very fine people. They're dealing with Steve Witkoff. They're dealing
Trade of
with
Ages
Jared
Reloaded.
Kushner and J.D. Vance, and they're dealing with Marco and Scott. They're dealing with great people, but I don't know. I think they're a little loco. They're a little crazy. But they told us they'd like to go to the funeral of a person who was killed a lot of people. Khomeini killed a lot of people over the years, and
Really
for a
point of
long
control
time. Don't
right
forget
now.
what we
It's
did.
like, I don't really
Should have
want to
been
be
done
long
47
here
years
at the
ago. It could have been
top.
done any time within 40. This has gone on for. They were the bully of the Middle East.
Yeah, I'm just
So
gonna
they're a
bail.
much
I'm looking for like a little bit of a
different
bull
country. Now,
flag.
In one day, all of their
Send it higher.
anti-aircraft things are gone. That doesn't mean they're not going to get a plane at some point.
I might even try a
all
short
of
to
it's
VWAP, but I mean this failed
Everything's
so
gone.
hard
Their
right
leaders are
here.
gone. They had leaders, they're gone, and they had
I'll
another
try
set
the
of
short
leaders,
just
they're
for
gone.
fucking
Now they have another
scalp, but
set
I
of
think it's
leaders, they may be
retarded.
gone. Who knows? And you know what? I may be gone too, because I'm
Might
the
just
number
epic
one
fucking
target.
moon.
It's out all over.
I shouldn't
the
be
place.
shorting
I'm the
this
number-
at all,
because
to be
they're scum.
honest.
That's the way they act, and that's the way they've done it for 47 years. But I'm doing what's right for the country. I'm doing really what's right for the world. They have to be stopped, and they've killed thousands, hundreds of thousands of people. They killed 52,000 protesters over the last 3 months. So when you say we're not doing
Terrible
well, I think
short
we're doing
entry.
phenomenally well.
I think I'm getting fucking
Our
burnt out
military
here,
has been
boys.
Incredible. Plus, we had a blockade. Did we have a blockade? Did you ever see a blockade work that way? You know, for you that said we're not doing well there, we did great in Venezuela. That was a one-day
Bottom of
war,
the hour.
and they're very good military. You know, it's a very military country.
This might be the
We took
fucking
out one of the
ripper.
worst human beings in the world, Maduro, and he's in jail waiting for trial. But what he did to this country was incredible, including the fact not only the drugs, but he had people pour into the country from prisons. They opened up their prisons. They allowed them to come in. We're getting them out. We're getting them all out. But we have, with the Biden open border policy, with Kamala as
Everything's
your borders
screaming
remember,
bullish,
she
and I'm
was a
just
borders officer.
short.
She never called
Fucking
Border Patrol,
retarded.
never once, and she never went to the border. The border was a disaster. Now it's fixed.
Try for the
It's
300s
fixed where we have
rejection, but
nobody-
I'm
and
pretty
I
sure I'm
don't
about to
re- I
get
don't do
fucking
these numbers.
roasted here.
0 people come in through our border, through our southern border. 0. And that's been announced now every month for the last 12 months. 0. We had millions of people come in, under 25 million people, I think
So
more than
dummy
that under Biden.
bullish.
And they weren't people that you want, and for the most part, they were drug
I'm a
dealers.
fucking
They were
retard. I'm a fucking
escaped
retard.
from, think of it, all the prisons, and I'm not just talking about from South America, I'm talking about from the Congo, I'm talking about from all over the world. The prisons were emptied
I'm
out.
being
They were
retarded.
emptied out into our
We have
country.
$1,000 of
But
drawdown
they
left
had the
now.
worst murderers. They had
What the fuck am I
we had
doing?
people allowed in our country that should never, and they walked in through an open border policy. And all I'm saying is that you're lucky we won this election. Yeah, please. Go ahead. Go ahead. No, yes, go ahead. Who you with?
NTD
Why don't you say
television.
your name and who you're with? It's always helpful.
Thank you, Mr. President, for doing this. Iris Tao with NTD, with a sister media with the Epoch Times.
Okay.
On communism, you've been issuing a wake-up call to Americans at home about the dangers of communism. And now
Yeah.
you're speaking on the world stage. What's your message to people both living under communist and socialist regimes, but also people living under democracies like in Europe and America who might not have realized how close communism has come to home?
Yeah,
Being
that's
killed
a
by
great
1,000
question,
paper
actually,
cuts,
but
like dead ass.
look, I
I'm
wanna get the
fucking
word
exiting
out
at the
because
top.
What's forming is communism.
Fucking
in the
damn
country.
it.
Communism's easy to sell. I would be the greatest communist in
Or
history.
shorting
I'd
a
be right
bull
up there with
run.
Lenin.
Fucking retarded all around.
I'd be as good as anybody. You've got free rent for the rest of your life. What they don't say is that you'll be living in squalor in 12 months. You've got a free house. Would anybody like to have a free house? We'll take it away from
I
somebody.
got some
we'll give it
food
to
here
you.
now too.
You'll have
I'm so
murders all
fucking
over the place.
cooked.
Communism's a disaster. It's been proven to
I'm
be
tired
for
as balls.
thousands of years under different names. But
Training
same
since
thing.
4:30 a.m.
It's,
today. Shorting
very
a bull
important. And, you know, it's
run.
funny.
I
One
wanna
of the
short
reasons
it
I do
again, like a
so well with the
retard.
Hispanic people. I set a record.
Exit early and reverse shorts for no reason. Yeah, exactly. Our
Get
fucking
elected in a
banger
landslide.
fucking
The
longs right here
Hispanics, because
cooked.
a lot of them came
We would have
from
been a 10K
countries
bagger
that
already.
were essentially communist. You know, whether you
I'm
call
shorting
radical
again for basically
socialist
no
or
reason.
communist is not that much, but
Probably
there's a
blows
little
count.
difference. When they say social democrats, we're social democrats, it sounds so nice. It's not nice. It's a very dangerous term. So I do talk about it, and I talk about it on TikTok, and I talk about it everywhere. I talk about it here. And you're right, it has become international, but it's never worked, and it's not going to work. What is working is the United States. So think of it, we have more jobs than we've ever had. People are making more money than they've ever made. I'm talking about workers now. I'm talking about workers. They're making higher salaries than they've ever made before. It's just the best system, and it's got flaws, but everything's going to have a little flaw, but it's been amazing. And when I watch what's happening, and I see these lowlifes getting, I mean, they're lowlifes. I watch them. I know good people. I know quality people. These are essentially lowlifes. And when I see what they're talking, I think they're very dangerous in many ways. And I've said it, and then I said, boy, that's a pretty big statement. Then I realized, you know, a couple of people said, I think you're probably right. I think this country, with this thing that's going around, is in more danger than it was during World War I, World War II. If you talk about September 11th, if you talk about Pearl Harbor, that was big danger. I think the concept of us going communist, because one thing that happens when you go communist, you never come back.
Exit our
Never
shorts
comes
the
back.
fucking
You die in
top.
squalor.
It's unreal.
You die a horrible death. You die in squalor, and it gets very evil and very nasty. Yeah, please go ahead.
Mr. President, Tyler Pager with the New York Times. Last month you said Iranian leaders were very rational people, nice people to deal with, strong people, smart people. Today you said they were scum, sick people, and being led by sick people. What changed, and do you think
I got to know them. So I've said that about a lot. Now, when you say rational, I think they're much more rational than level 1, level 2. Level 1 is gone, level 2 is gone. This is level 3. I think they are more rational, but based on their actions over the last week or two,
Jesus, I might blow this account right here. I'm
they're not
holding this
doing a
short.
service to the people. And I think more than anything else is I got to
I'm
know
gonna blow
them.
this account.
And I'm not sure I want to make a deal
Bulls
with
are
them.
going
We can
fucking
play
nuts.
games, but I'm not sure I want to make a deal. Let's just finish the job. Yeah, please, go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Thank you, Mr. President. Steve Sedgwick from CNBC. The oil markets are up today, around about 7% for WTI and Brent as well. The world is taking you at your word, sir, that the MOU is over, that the ceasefire is over. What happens next, sir? Are we on the cusp of a full-scale return to full conflict?
Well, I'll tell you what happens next. We're never going to see Iran have a nuclear weapon, because that's much more important than the numbers you're talking about. The prices of oil are dropping like a rock.
They're banging a little
now they'll be
bit.
up a little bit, and this will end
We
very
fucking
quickly.
exited
We have a
fucking at the
tremendous- we have an
top
oil
with
glut
size.
right now because we got all
And we're
those
in one
boats out of
fucking
the
mic
strait.
mini.
And it's going to drop, and I've predicted everything. I've been right about everything, and I have been for a long time. That's how I got
We
to
get
be
lucky and we
president
catch a
3
gig of
times.
Cliff
That's how I
here.
won 3 elections. I did very well in the second one, won it. It was a rigged election. But I've been right, and oil's coming down. Now, I have to make sure of one thing, that we don't have lunatics having control over
fucking doubt it,
nuclear
though.
weapons. So we have that now. There's no way they have a nuclear weapon. We have cameras, as an example, on the site that does beautiful B-2s at 1 o'clock in the morning 10 months ago, blew up.
Yeah,
blew it up.
200s-ish.
We have cameras.
If it doesn't just hold this
Space
fucking
Force.
pivot at
They're in
250.
space. But we have cameras that can read the badge of the person going over to a site. Mohammed something. We say it's Mohammed something is there with shovels. Well, shovels won't get you there.
219.
Biggest machinery in the world probably won't
Might
get
be
you
with a
there if you
kook.
want to know the truth. It's way, way below. But we're watching that. And if anybody goes there, they get blown up. So nobody's going to touch that. Eventually, we'll take it. But what we do have is we have that. That's gone. If we wouldn't have had that, they would have had a nuclear weapon, and they would have wiped out Israel. If I weren't president, Israel wouldn't exist. And we did it 2 times. When the JCPOA, the Obama deal, when that was originally
I'm looking for like
conceived,
219-ish.
everything went to Iran. 1.7
We just
billion
swept
in
below the
cash, hundreds of
range.
billions of dollars. They thought they could buy peace with
Still
these people.
super
You can't do
bullish.
that. So the big thing we have is more important than anything we can talk about is you can't let lunatics have nuclear weapons, and we've stopped that. And that should have been stopped on a couple of other occasions too with different countries, but they didn't do that. Yeah, please.
Stephen Nelson from the New York Post. I'd like you to address speculation that you're leaving Ankara not in the new Air Force One because of security
I'm
concerns.
so hungry and my
Iran.
stomach hurts. Oh my God.
Spoken today twice.
Streaming for almost 3 hours,
Assassinating you, possibly being
boys.
successful.
My
Did that concern have
laptop
something-
Well, I
still
speak
didn't
about it
crash.
a lot
Can't wait.
because,
Oh, but my phone
you know,
died.
the life of a president is very dangerous. It's 5.2%. You know what a race car driver is? 1/10 of 1%. A bull rider, that looks pretty dangerous to me. It's 1/10 of 1%. No, it's 5.2% is you don't make it. You should have told me you're an excellent reporter. You should have told me that years ago. Maybe I wouldn't have run. It's a very dangerous profession. No, I'm number one on the kill
Consolidation
list
time,
for
possibly.
Iran. They're lovely people. I'm number one. So I don't know. I can't tell you that, but I don't really care because I'm doing my job and I'm doing it, I hope, better than anybody's
For a bull
ever
run
done
like
it.
that?
Because we
Fuck.
have a country that's hot and really, really successful. But I mention it only because it's on the list. I mean, it came out. There was another list came out yesterday, and I'm number one on. I like being
Mohammed
number one on
something?
TikTok better, but I'm number one on the list for killing. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Hey, Sean McCreesh, New York Times. But why aren't you flying the new plane home?
Say what?
Why aren't you flying on
these
the new
fucking
Air Force
bull
One
rides?
home?
It's flying to Europe to one of the big bases, 2 or 3 of the big
I gotta
bases where
fucking
we
get
can
out.
show it to the people, and we'll be going home
Bulls are
by
just so fucking
normal
vicious.
methods. But we have it
Volatility's going
Going to
crazy right
Europe.
now.
to a couple of bases, actually one in particular, but it's going to go to a couple of bases, stop, so the soldiers can see
I just
it,
want a
'cause
full
it's
port
truly
longs.
magnificent. Yeah, please. Go ahead. You
I
want
have
to go?
$1,000 of drawdown though.
Okay, go ahead.
Mr. President, Harici Media, Tunç Akkoç, Türkiye. Mr. President, it seems that the war with Iran may start again. What do you expect from your European allies?
I don't think it's going to start again. I think it's going to go very quickly. They hit a couple of ships, and so we hit them much harder. When they hit, we hit 10 times
I
harder.
really just
We hit
long it
much
and see
harder.
how high she'll go. Maybe we'll get
better
blown out.
equipment
Maybe
than
we'll
they
make some money.
We may even, somebody asked before, do you think you'll hit them tonight? I said, we might. Yeah, we might. But when they hit, we hit. You know, it's what they're, we use their language. We speak their language. No, I don't think so. I think anything that happens is going to be over very quickly. And we'll only make it safer, including for oil. Oil is going to be very free, very easy, and it's going to happen very fast. We have the Hormuz Strait, the boats have pulled out. I mean, there's a gusher of oil right now. We have a lot of oil.
Ed.
And
We might blow this
anything
account
that
right
happens is
now.
going to happen very fast. We're not looking for long term. Okay, go ahead, Red.
Mr. President, you said today, Ines de la Cuetara with MS Now, you said today that countries...
You're with who?
MS Now.
MS Now. That's a failing network. Why would you want to work for them? MS Now. Can you imagine? They wanted to get away. They took the name NBC because they were embarrassed by it. Go ahead, let's go. When
said
you
today
hear
that-
this question?
You said today that countries like Spain, Italy, and the UK were not there for the U.S. and its war with Iran. Should those countries be attacked, will the U.S. be there for them?
Well, I'll tell you what. Number one, Spain.
Hopefully
has
we just
been
get blasted
very
off
bad,
here. I'm
but,
so
you know,
fucking burnt out.
Italy's been good, and
It looks like
almost all of the countries.
it looks
have
like
been
we
good.
might
They just
get
had a
it.
bad moment.
Range,
They didn't
this
help
range would
us.
effectively
We didn't
blow
need
our
their help.
accounts.
But if we would have wanted their help, I said, by the way, if I want help, Sir would rather remain on the sidelines, and I didn't like that answer. UK gave an answer that was sort of weirder than that. They went out. I said, would you like to help? They said, we do, but we want to wait till the war is over. This was not in the spirit of
Maybe we
Winston
just get a
Churchill.
random 100-point
So,
ripper.
Yeah, I mean, I'll
That'd
tell
be
you what, I can
wonderful.
only say if there's one word that comes out of
I gotta
today
take
is
one off, though,
unification.
'cause
I've never seen
fucking the
anything
Ranger
like
took
it. Every one of
us.
those countries, they love us, they love each other. That was tremendous unification. It was a nice thing to say, and it was a very fair question, too. Yeah, green? Yeah, you're wearing green, right?
Still holding. We're gonna add back in. Hopefully we don't blow this shit right here.
Haber Global TV,
And a pullback.
Türkiye.
$1,100.
After your meeting with President Erdogan, can you tell us whether you and President Erdogan reached an
Pullback might get
understanding on
us.
Turkey's return to the F-35 program and the future of U.S.-Turkey defense cooperation?
Stay super bullish for
And do
me,
you believe
please.
U.S.-Turkey relations are entering a new chapter right now?
Well, I had a great relationship in my first term. You remember Pastor Brunson, and he was put in jail for 35 years, and I called. He was an evangelical hero, actually, very good man. And I called President Erdogan, and he let him out. I didn't pay anything like Obama and Biden pay billions of dollars all the time. I never paid any for anybody. I just tell them, let him out. Let him out. But in this case, I didn't say it the second way. I said it the first way. I said, look, he's a good man. He's highly respected in the evangelical, and I'd like you to let him out. And he was in my office, in the Oval Office, the following day.
One pullback and we're fucked.
I had a great relationship.
It needs to
When
just go
Sleepy
straight
Joe Biden
up.
got in, bad things happened with a lot of things between the border. Everything was bad. We were laughed at all over the world, and we had a very bad relationship with a lot of countries. I think Turkey was one of those countries. But that changed on November 5th when we had the election. And it's one of our best relationships. We have a great relationship. And they're talking about the F-35 airplane, and it's the best plane, and everybody wants it. And we have to make a decision who we give it to. I mean, my inclination, because he stayed out of, he's not a huge fan of Bibi, and he's not a huge fan of
Needs to
Israel, but he
break out
stayed out of
soon,
that
otherwise
war.
we're
He could have gone
fucked
into
for the
that war very
range.
easily, and he didn't. At my request, he stayed out of that
Come
war.
on, give us the
And
push.
he's been a very good ally. I mean, Marco could tell you we have a very strong relationship with Turkey. You know, it's a very big country. It's a very powerful militarily. It's the second most powerful country.
I gotta
in
take one
NATO.
off. I'm scared.
It's a NATO country. So whether or not we do that, I haven't totally made up my mind. But my
Do 15
inclination is to
minute.
say, look, he's done everything. He's helped us in so many different ways.
Man,
and
we
you know who else
fucking
has been good to us?
butchered
China.
this. Pretty
China
good.
never came into the war. They get 50%.
I'm just gonna
of
go
their oil
short
from
because I'm
Hormuz
just
Strait. They
fucking
never
so
came into the
cooked
war.
and
They never
I
said,
don't even know.
I'm going to
dude.
send a ship in 5 destroyers along each side of the ship. They never did. No, he's been President
Probably
Xi's
gonna
been
get
great.
blasted off.
Everyone's been sort of great, to be honest. You know why? Because they respect our country again. They laughed at our country. They thought we were a bunch of fools. They saw a president that couldn't talk, he couldn't walk. He was a disaster. They lost respect for our country, but now they have more respect for our country than they've ever had before. Thank you all very much. We'll see you back. Thank you very much, everybody.
Okay, Trump's done. I'm short for fucking who knows why. Just gonna fucking blast the 370s here. I'm short, so not good. Just needed to hodl those longs. Think we're blowing, boys. Think we're blowing. I'm gonna add to my short like a degen. Pretty sure we blow. Did we get lucky with a pullback because Trump's not talking anymore? I fucking doubt it. Bitch is dummy bullish. Here comes the blow. Prolongs the play. I know, dude. I don't even know what the fuck I'm doing anymore. I'm so fucking toasted. I'm gonna blow this account more than likely. So we get really lucky in this ranges right here. I'm pretty sure it needs to sweep that 370s first, regardless. We get lucky with a fucking nasty pullback, but I seriously doubt it. A massive green dildo is loading. Should be in longs. There she goes. We're blowing. It's not gonna hold. This is so bullish. Just being a fucking retard shorting this. This account's toast. Last hope. Add one more for massive rejection. So unlikely. Even if we get a massive rejection, it's probably gonna need a wick through here first. It'll blow my account. She gone, boys. No, I don't want to try and save it. I'm fucking cooked. I'm just being a retard. I fucking tilted a little bit over here. It's toast, whatever. Whatever. We had it. We lost it. We had it. We lost it. We had it. And then we lost it in the end. I'm cooked. I'm so cooked. On the bright side, every single other account is fucking stupid green, so I mean we'll take the fucking no, we DLL'd alpha too. Every other account's cooking, but yeah, I mean I don't know what the fuck I was doing with that TPT Pro. It was just stupid. Just so stupid. It's probably a top tick too for the range play here too. Figures I'm so fucking cooked, boys. I will see you guys next time. I am fucking out of here. We had a beautiful run with this TBT Pro, but we couldn't diamond hand it. We couldn't. We had the 10G payout right here. We didn't TP right here. We would have had the 10G payout, max payout TPT. But we paper handed. And then we proceeded to short a bull trend, which, yeah, I think I just been trading way too long today and I'm just fucking going full retard. So it is what it is. Rest in peace to that pro account. We'll be back. Make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you have that bell on. Never know when we're going to go live. And I am out of here, boys. Fucking love you guys. Till next time, stay beautiful. Peace. Oh.